Me no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my.
Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Adjoa Slay. If you're new here, thanks for coming. If you're old, thanks for always coming back to support your girl. On this channel, I do makeup, I do hair, I do lifestyle vlogs just like this one that you're seeing. So feel free to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Turn on your post notifications, do all the needful, share the video to your friends, let them join in the family. And yeah, today is Friday and I went to night shift. Like you can see from my face, I was asleep. Like when I came back from the night shift, I went straight knock off. I was asleep and right now the time is 7 p.m. and I need to wash this hair. Like I need to wash my hair. Like I need to stop looking like my problems because my hair has been like this in weeks. So I need to wash my hair. My hair is actually dirty. My hair needed to be washed like 2 weeks ago, but I didn't wash it because these days I've been lazy. Like I've been overwhelmed. I mean, I've been pulling myself from doing a lot of things and it's going to be hard. So I called the salon lady. It's late 7. She's actually closed, but I called her and she said I should come so she can wash my hair. Tonight I'm going out with a friend. I mean, I've not been out since like 2 years. Yes, I don't remember the last time I went out, night out. Like 2 years, right? Yeah, I remember the person that took me out. Yeah, that was like, was it Valentine's Day 2 years ago? Yeah, I think Valentine's Day 2021 was the last time I went out. Like I've not been out, so he offers to take me out today. He's actually a good friend of mine, a very sweet boy. He offers to take me out today and I don't have to look like my problems. I'm supposed to wash my hair myself, but like I said, I've been overwhelmed. I've been off lately, trying to sort things in, my new apartment and everything. Like a whole lot is going on. So I decided to, dedicate someone to washing my hair because I usually do my hair myself, but these days, like I said, I've been overwhelmed and I need to delegate. So I need to delegate in order for me to be in the right frame of mind. Yeah, so she's washing my hair, so I have to get going. I've not eaten since morning. Right now I'm going to the salon at 7. Like I don't know when she'll finish. Maybe she'll finish like now. That would be like 8. What time am I going to eat? I have food in the house that I was supposed to heat and eat. Right now it's late and the salon lady too is closing, so I have to go and wash my hair and come back before I eat. But then I'll be out tonight, so even if I eat late, it's not a problem. So yeah, let's do that. Let me go wash my hair, okay, before she closes. I think I will see you guys at the salon, maybe.
2 hours later.
I just came back from the salon and it's raining. Actually, look at water on my body. It's raining. I got this in my brain. It's raining. Like I told you guys that I'm going out with my friend and it's raining at his side and my side. So I don't know if this outing will be on, but I called him and he's like, when it finish raining, we'll go. So I'm going to take my bath and get ready. If we are get ready, but I'm not sure if you are still going to be because it's raining. And the way he was talking, I'm not sure about the going, but I'm still going to get ready. If we go, fine. If we don't, if the outing does not happen, if the outing does not come on, I'm going to film YouTube videos with the makeup. So a win is a win, okay? So yeah, let me go get ready. I need to eat. It's 9:40 p.m. and I just came out from the salon and I've not eaten. We're supposed to go for the outing at 9. I told him that I'll be ready by 9. But look at me, 9:40. I just came back from the salon. So I'm still going to get ready. And if we go, we go. If we don't, we don't. Okay? So I'll see you guys.
One eternity later.
Baby, if you want me, I tell you want me so want me.
Like broccoli, steady green like broccoli, steady on my grind. Oh yeah, what they want telling me could deny my fantasy. They want to check if my daddy no wrong, but see they rush quite well, it be much. Now when they make my daddy be wrong, they climb on and we touch,
If you have the money, don't come. If you know the money, don't come. But if it's raining, make it rain, my life. And think about energy come on my face. They vex, they say I change. Then they expect I go be the same boy. Why we don't be? Hey, the matter be say, if you know the money, if you have the money, if you know the money. I'm just running. So you should be a good girl. Now they know I'm asking you to do it. I'm gonna put away my Disney now. Them go say, them know, they see the song.
Surely you were trying to prove on me. I've been going on my own. I've been doing things unknown. The day one, you running right back. The drama, you running off track. So one night, tell me one.
2,000 years later.
So now I'm now done and the time is 11:30 and my friend cancelled on me. But guess what? You know, I'm somebody that don't let someone's what do you call it? I don't depend on people for my happiness. I want to go out today and I'm going by myself. Whether he cancelled or not, I'm going. He cancelled on me and I'm going by myself. So let's go, guys. Let's go.
The next day. tomorrow.
So I'm going to church and I'll see you guys after church, okay?
Later that same evening.